In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Klaviyo. By the end, you'll know how to create a new list and bring in your existing contacts cleanly and confidently, without missing important details that affect deliverability and segmentation. Start by signing in and heading to your Klaviyo dashboard. From the left sidebar, open the Audience menu. This is where you manage everyone who subscribes, purchases, or interacts with your brand. Choose Lists and Segments. Think of a list as a static group you add people to, like newsletter subscribers or wholesale leads. A segment, on the other hand, is dynamic and updates automatically based on rules, but for importing contacts, you want a list. Click the Create button. When prompted, select List. This ensures the contacts you bring in live in one organized place you can target with campaigns or use to trigger flows. Give your new list a clear, consistent name that your team will recognize later. Good names often include the source and purpose, such as Website Pop-Up Leads 2026 or Event Signups April. Clear naming helps prevent mistakes when you're choosing recipients for a send. Once you've named it, click Create List to finalize. You'll land on your new list page. Choose Upload Contacts to begin the import. Klaviyo accepts common formats like CSV, so it helps to prepare your file first. Make sure your file has a header row with columns like email, first name, last name, and any custom properties you care about. Email is the key field. Without it, a profile can't be created. If you track consent, include a column that indicates who has opted in and keep your data compliant with local regulations. Clean up obvious typos and remove hard bounces if you know them. When you upload, Klaviyo will show a mapping screen. Double-check that each column in your file matches the correct Klaviyo field. Correct any mismatches, confirm the email field is mapped properly, and choose whether to update existing profiles with new data. Klaviyo automatically deduplicates by email, so you won't create duplicates if the same contact appears in multiple files. Start the import and let it process. Larger lists can take a bit longer. After the import finishes, review the total profiles added and spot check a few contacts to make sure properties look right. If you see errors, ensure your CSV is UTF-8 encoded, includes a single header row, and avoids merged cells or formulas. That's it. You've successfully imported contacts into Klaviyo and are ready to use your new list in campaigns and flows.